Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about cleaning gel for car. This is a great product that can help you keep your car's interior clean and dust-free, even in the hard-to-reach places. Number 1. What is cleaning gel for car? Cleaning gel for car is a sticky, putty-like substance that can be used to pick up dust, dirt, and debris from your car's interior. It's especially effective for cleaning vents, crevices, and other small spaces that are difficult to reach with a vacuum cleaner or brush. How to use cleaning gel for car? To use cleaning gel for car, simply break off a small piece and knead it into a ball. Then press the ball into the dusty area and rub it around. The gel will pick up the dirt and debris, and you can then pull it out and discard it. Benefits of using cleaning gel for car. There are several benefits to using cleaning gel for car. It's easy to use and can be applied to any surface, including fabric, plastic, and metal. It's non-toxic and safe to use around children and pets. It's reusable, so you can save money by using it multiple times. It's effective at cleaning even the smallest spaces. Where to buy cleaning gel for car? Cleaning gel for car is available at most auto parts stores and online retailers. Conclusion: if you're looking for an easy and effective way to keep your car's interior clean, then cleaning gel is a great option. It's easy to use, non-toxic, and reusable. So give it a try today and see how well it works for you.